Hey there, it's Alex from WTI. I'm wearing the most well-made hoodie I've ever worn in my entire life, all thanks to Carhartt. Carhartt's known for its high quality and durable clothing because it's meant to be for workwear. This hoodie, while it's probably meant for work, I love to snuggle up in it. It is so cozy and warm. Thick material. Like material I've never even felt before. It's amazing. The quality of the fabric and the stitching is impeccable. There is not a flaw I can find in this sweater. I can throw it on cooler days when I go out to run some errands. I wear it to work, to and from work, just over my scrubs. Keeps me nice and warm and snuggly. It's got a really nice big hood as well, in case it's blistery out, and a nice bit of a collar, extra wide collar too, so it really keeps your neck and your head nice and warm. So if you're trying to find a hoodie that's going to last a really long time and it's just going to go with so many different outfits, casual outfits, I can't say enough about this hoodie from Carhartt. I love it. I wish I could wear it and live in it, honestly. I'm not gonna lie, but that's just my point of view.